Today is Wednesday, February 4th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And although it is still definitely cold, the really cold air that was record-breaking has retreated, at least for now, but there are signs of another Arctic blast coming in by the end of the week. So let's get on with the forecast. Looking at the map here, there's an area of low pressure this morning producing some light snow from Kentucky over to West Virginia, Northern Virginia, into the mid-Atlantic, and that's moving due east. That should be, by the end of the day, moving offshore. Still plenty of cold air coming in behind this system, so temperatures actually turning colder again. But again, as we head into Friday, Saturday, true Arctic blast returns with maybe some more record cold. 26 today in Grand Rapids, 22 in Detroit, 21 in Cleveland, 28 in Chicago. So yeah, it is cold. But again, just wait a couple days. 26 today in Cincinnati, 32 in Louisville, 40 today in Nashville, where there's been a mixture of rain and snow this morning. That's all moving east. Roanoke, snow mixing with some rain as we head into the afternoon, 39 in Memphis. So here's the temperature trend, and by the end of the week, a strong cold front on Friday will send temperatures plummeting, and then a high of only 16 in Detroit by Saturday, probably barely above 20 here Sunday and Monday. And it's kind of similar for Chicago. Near 40 early in the day, temperatures drop, and I think we'll be peaking barely in the low 30s, if that, here into the weekend. So as we look at our forecast here in the mid-Atlantic into the southeast, 34 today in Washington, D.C. with some snow, maybe 1 to 3 inches from D.C. north into Maryland and Delaware. 55 in Wilmington today, 47 in Charleston, 60 in Savannah, where my mother, who lives in Savannah, or at least nearby, is telling me enough with the chilly weather. She grew up, or I shouldn't say grew up, but spent a lot of her life in upstate New York, so shouldn't be a big deal for her. But you adjust to the warmer weather. 59 in New Orleans, 68 in Tampa, 72 in Miami. Finally getting above 70 there in South Florida. Temperatures improve a little bit here in the southeast, but not a whole lot. Maybe low 50s, I think, by the weekend. And in South Florida, a little bit of an early chill leads to at least a comfortable afternoon. Yesterday, the high in Fort Lauderdale was 68. So today, 72 is at least an improvement, and we'll probably peak around that tomorrow. A little bit of a setback here Friday, but I think by the weekend, we're starting to move in the right direction, and certainly seeing that moving in the right direction by early next week. That's your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.